Hello friends, now let us take an example. Uh, Here, if you observe this, double integral x square y square dx dy over r. Now note that here degree of x is 2 and y is 2. So this is always a hint that whenever such kind of integrand is there, where the degree is x square, y square, or some combination of x square and y square, you always convert the given problem into polar coordinates. Okay, always convert given problem into polar coordinates because that becomes very easy to solve. Here the region is given as the part of a circle x square plus y square equal to 1 in first quadrant. Okay, so that is the region given. Okay, so how you will convert anything to polar coordinates? So it's a very simple thing. What you do is, so I convert to polar form. So everything I'll convert to polar form. I'll convert the integrand, I'll convert dx dy, I'll convert this region, everything into polar form, that is r and theta. So I'll say put x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So this is always a substitution for x and y whenever you are converting it to polar form. Okay, fine. Then so write down this that dx dy will be r dr d theta. Okay, so always note this point. Dx dy will be r dr d theta. Fine. Now how your region is? See, the region is actually the circle which is centered at origin and of radius 1. So this is your region. Okay, so this is the region, and we are interested in the first quadrant which is given in the problem. So we are interested on this region. Okay. Now to convert this into polar form, see how r is varying. So r is the radius of the circle. So it is varying from 0 to 1. Okay. So here I say 0 less r less 1. So r is varying from 0 to 1, and uh, how theta is varying? It is from 0 to pi by 2. So 0 less equal theta less equal pi by 2. So we got the limits. Okay, and here what we will do is we will always keep our inner integration is with respect to theta and outer integration with respect to r. So our problem reduces to, okay, now see that inner integration I'll keep with respect to theta, so it is 0 to pi by 2, or you can do vice versa. Let us keep that inner integration with respect to r, suppose 0 to 1, and theta is from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so r dr d theta r. So this is x square. X square is what? It is r square cos square theta into r square sin square theta into r dr d theta. So see, I have substituted for x square this, y square this, and for dx dy I have substituted r dr d theta. So let us simplify this further. So this is further equal to 0 to pi by 2 and 0 to 1. So this will be r raised to 5 dr. Okay, and the rest of the thing are with d theta, so they like constant. Cos square theta, sin square theta, d theta. Okay, and now we will simplify this. So let us simplify this further. Okay, so this is equal to so r raised to 5, what it will be? It will be r 0 to pi by 2 into r raised to 6 upon 6 from 0 to 1, then cos square theta sin square theta d theta. Okay, so this one. Hmm? So 1 by 6 I'll take outside, integral 0 to pi by 2. This is cos square theta sin square theta d theta. So can you solve this? Yes. How to solve this? You can use the gamma function, beta function, right? This is the sin raised to p, cos raised to q from 0 to pi by 2. Okay. So you can easily find out the formula for this now. So this will be 2 minus 1. Yes, I hope you remember this formula. 1 by 6 into, so it is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, uh, into 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 2 4, and into 4 minus 2, and both powers are even, so we multiply with what? Pi by 2. Okay, so n minus 1, n minus 1, right? So this is equal to further 1 by 6 into bracket, this is 1, so uh, pi by 16, right? And so this is equal to pi by 96. Yes, I hope you remember this formula. Okay, this is sin raised to m cos raised to nx. Okay, sin raised to mx cos raised to nx. We have solved this problem. Okay, so conversion with respect to the polar coordinates. So always keep in mind x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, dx dy is replaced by r dr d theta. Okay, and then you obtain the limit on r as well as on theta, looking at the region. Fine, and then solve the problem as usual.